train, hi. With 1615 holding from 2024. One, two, three, 4, 5. So that train used to be 5 cars back then. Peepee inside, bro.
Videotaping you. Alright, come on.
I'm on the train.
You're on the way until it leaves.
F40PH-3C. Oh my god! Yo! A double header! A double header! A double header! Oh my god! That's something rare! That's rarer than anything! A double header! A double header. That is the rarest thing I saw in my life. Yeah, first double header on a Fitchburg,